Hello out there, 018 here, Donkey Stomper, 600HD-HG-6Pill. 8-pill incognito now. Reverse, reflect power, straight through. Well, this is the drive. I'll get it right in a minute. Get on down, away to 8. Straight through the rest of the yard, get on down. Turn him on. Radio drive. 5-watt reverse, radio drive. Get on down, half watt. 1000-watt slug, PEP, radio drive. Get on down, 600. I showed you input to that thing. Okay. Turn on the modulator. We're going to be putting 1000-watt slug. Get on down, $1.90 in, okay? Turn it back on. 5-watt reverse. Get on down. What? 1000-watt peak. Get on down. Of course, we knew that was going to happen. 2500-watt PP. Oh, we're on 14.8 too, by the way. Well, 1550, worldwide, 16, worldwide, I could drive a little harder, but no sense that. 14.8, worldwide, get on down, worldwide, get on down, worldwide. Good to go. Just want to do a little review video on it. Alright folks, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Take care, your friend 10-018 Beavis. Catch you later.